Hello my friends, welcome to my southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well. This is a special video for me. We are celebrating two things. Number one, we have reached the 300th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Woohoo! Number two, we have reached 10,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I can't thank you enough, my friends, for joining me on this incredible journey, and I am so blessed and grateful for all your support. Thank you again. Let the magic in Ellen's Southern Kitchen continue. Well, to celebrate, I'm going to show you how to make a Southern key lime pound cake. And my friends, this recipe is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this pound cake has natural key lime flavors. And we're going to put a key lime glaze on it. Your whole family is going to enjoy it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pound cake recipe playlist for more recipes. So grab your flour and your key lime sugar because we're about to bake some key lime pound cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature, and a half a cup of butter flavored shortening. And we're going to add in 2.5 cups of white sugar. Remember, when making a pound cake you need lots of sugar. And we're going to cream all this until it's fluffy. Alright my friends. Next, we're going to add in 5 eggs at room temperature. We're going to add them one at a time, beating after each addition. All right, last egg. Blend this in real good. Alright my friends, I'm through beating the eggs in. So next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of pure lime extract, a half a cup of my favorite ingredient, evaporated milk, 1.5 tablespoons of key lime zest, 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed key lime juice, and 1 5.3 ounce carton of key lime flavor Greek yogurt. It's going to be bursted with key lime flavor. Going to stir that in a little bit. Smells good. I love the smell of key lime. So now I'm going to mix this a little bit until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add in 3 cups of self-rising flour that's sifted. Mix this up until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, and now I'm going to add just a little green food coloring because I want my pound cake a little bit green. I'm going to mix this in. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the cake batter. Look at that beautiful green color. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into our bundt pan. We're going to pour it in the 10-inch bundt pan that I greased with baking spray. Alright my friends, I got my cake batter into the pan. So now we're going to shake it a little and bang it to get some of the air bubbles out. Alright, now we're ready to put this girlfriend in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 1 hour and 25 and 30 minutes, or until the toothpick in the center comes out clean. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my key lime pound cake out of the oven. It smells incredible up in this kitchen. And then I put it on a wire rack and let it cool completely, and I removed it from the pan and put it on my cake stand. So now we're going to set the cake aside while we work on our key lime simple syrup. Alright, my friends, in my saucepan, I got the fire over medium heat. We're going to add in a half a cup of water, a half a cup of white sugar, and 4.5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed key lime juice. And if you like more tartness, you can add more key lime juice. Gonna give that a quick stir. Gonna let this cook until the sugar dissolves. Alright, my friends, I'm through making my key lime simple syrup, and I let it cool for a few minutes. So now we're gonna pour some right over the cake. It'll keep it nice and moist. And I poke some holes in it so it'll go inside the cake. Like so. Alright, my friends, I'm through putting the simple syrup on the cake. And I forgot to mention, you don't need much. You just want a light coating. Alright, so over here, I have made a glaze, which is 1 cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed key lime juice, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I mix that together until it's nice and well combined. So now we're going to drizzle it on the cake. Woo-wee, that looks good. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern key lime pound cake. Doesn't that look scrumptious? And look at that key lime glaze on it. That looks amazing. Alright, now I'm about to cut me up a slice and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate, serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and some lime zest on top. Now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. Oh my goodness. My friends, this cake is divine. This reminds me of eating a key lime pie and lime sherbet. I love all the layers of the key lime flavors in it. And that glaze is awesome. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm in key lime heaven. Key lime pound cake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.